Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about something that's really pissing me off. You guys know on the channel I'm pretty blunt about everything, and I'm going to kind of get right into it here as well. If you are one of those people that hears bad things about Section 8 and how the investment is and how the tenants are, that's unfortunately just the stigma. I was the same way as you. And I understand that, right? There are a lot of things that I'm trying to dispel on this channel about Section 8 in regards to Section 8 as an investment, right? As an investment vehicle to financial freedom, for financial freedom, passive income, and building generational wealth. That's what we're about on this video, on this channel. But what I'm going to tell you is, I'm not going to put up with, some of the comments, some of the things I hear about Section 8 tenants, because the overwhelming majority of people are uninformed on this program. And people that think, well, Section 8 tenants are going to destroy this, they're going to ruin this, they're criminals, they do drugs, they do this, it's a load of BS. It's an absolute load of crap. I've owned so many of these things. I have had so few issues. You're talking about human beings, all right? You're talking about people who just aren't as fortunate as some other people. They're still great people. My goodness, some of the people I've met through Section 8 investing have been way better than other people I've met. I tell people this. Listen, I've owned a ton of properties. I've had tons of rentals, whether it's low-income rentals and Section 8 rentals, median income rentals, so like B-class, high C-class property, and high luxury rentals. Let me give you a quick fact. I've had way more issues with median income people and higher income people than my Section 8 tenants. And as a matter of fact, I've never been in a lawsuit. I've never been sued. I've never sued anyone. I've never evicted anybody from Section 8. I can't say that about the other two, about median income and high income. I can't say that. And listen, that's just part of this thing. When you own enough of these and you do this much business and you're in the real estate game up to your eyeballs, you get lawsuits, you have to evict people, people sue you, you sue people. It's part of the game. It's business. But I've never had any of those issues with Section 8 tenants. Ever, 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 ever. You're talking about human beings who are not as fortunate as other people. On this channel, we're providing people with a nice place to live and getting a return that's unparalleled anywhere else in the country. Where else can you get both of those two things? You can't. Do me a favor while you're watching this video. I want you to comment below and name a time, or just say, yeah, that's happened to me, where you have pitched this idea about Section 8 to somebody else, or you yourself have thought it and said, no way, I don't want to deal with Section 8 tenants. I want to hear about it. Put it in the comments below. But the stigma around this program are not correct. Just like anything else, you have bad apples in anything, right? I'm not saying everybody in the Section 8 program is an amazing person, but same goes for anything else in life. You have some good people and you have some bad people. You have some awesome people and you have some not so awesome people. It's the same in Section 8. We're not talking about, animals. We're talking about humans, right? We're talking about human beings that, have treated properties of mine amazing, who have raised beautiful families in these units. And it really pisses me off to see ignorance in the comments. And I get rid of some of them, but some of them I don't see. So keep an eye out, for things you hear from people, and just understand that there are really good people in all aspects of this world, regardless of how much money that they have. It's just dumb. It's gross. All right. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to see it. If you're on this channel, you know where I stand. You know that we're trying to provide high-level, quality homes for people to grow their lives, where kids can grow up and have a sense of pride and bring confidence from the place that they live. not the opposite. Quick rant.